Y'all gonna love this. Hi, and welcome to Plate It. My name is Mark, and today we're doing a crab boil. Happy New Year to you. We're going to go over all of the ingredients, and remember, all the ingredients will be in the description box below. Our channel is really growing, so thank you. We really appreciate you watching these videos, and we look forward to 2021 putting out some great videos. So let's get started and show you all the ingredients that we have here so we can get this pot brewing. What we have here is some new potatoes, real small potatoes, baby potatoes, whatever you want to call them, but we got the smallest ones to work with. And then we got about 2 pounds of shrimp with the shell on, and they've been cleaned and deveined. And then over here, for more flavor and more punch to the pot, we added some andouille style sausage, smoked sausage. You can choose whatever one you want. And then we went and got the fresh corn. You can get corn on the cob, niblets, frozen, if you don't want to get the fresh corn. But we just wanted to get the sweeter taste out of it for this. And we're pairing it with the star of the show, which is the crabs. Now with crabs, we use king crab. You can use any crab you like, whether it's, a snow crab, a blue crab, whatever you want to use, go ahead and use that. You can see here, we're gonna serve probably anywhere between 4 and 5 adults very easily with these crabs in this full dish, this full menu that we have right here. You can see how large the king crab leg is as compared to maybe like a snow crab. Also, it's easier to actually get the meat out of it. So we wanted to use the king crab. A lot of people like to use other ones for different reasons, but we thought the king crab would work for what we're doing here. So everything that we did, we made sure that we kept flavor going throughout the pot. So with that being said, we left the shell on. So I wanted to show you that. We left the shell on the shrimp. If you're allergic to shrimp, you can totally skip the shrimp and still have the crab boil. A lot of people put lobster in theirs as well. So whatever you'd like to do, you can. But the reason that I went very slow in showing you all the ingredients, just to show you what's in the pot, but also to let you know that this is not a real inexpensive type dinner. So I wanted to show you that real slowly. Now we've got to season the pot. We've got a really large stock pot. It's about 9 quarts. Whatever you're cooking, you're just going to make sure that you have a large enough pot so you can actually have everything in the pool together. And right here we have some andouille style smoked sausage that you want to chop up. You can chop them up to any length that you want. I ended up doing another chop before I put it in the pot too, because I knew who was eating this, so I didn't want to make the portions too large. So I ended up chopping it up one more time before I put it in the pot. You'll see that as we go. But with this type of sausage, it's going to exude a lot of flavor and so into the pot. And so again, this is why we're using this andouille style sausage right now. It's very good, very tasty. And here's the pot. And you can see how big the pot is. It's huge. I actually had to borrow this pot from my brother, and I got to clean it and take it back. So I hope everybody enjoys this video. We dropped down the potatoes, the baby potatoes first, and then we dropped in the garlic. And because the potatoes might take a little longer, so we're going to go ahead and drop those down first. The cooking times and everything will be down in the description box. But we let them cook probably for about 15 minutes before we did anything else. And as you can see, we're seasoning throughout. We used some Old Bay seasoning. We dropped those onions in. We added some salt, sea salt, and we did like a crab boil from Zatarains. Probably put about 3 to 4 tablespoons into the pot as well, along with about 5 tablespoons of the Old Bay seasoning. And so a lot of people use one or the other. I wanted to use both to get that flavor packed in there.